Hey guys, so I finally got my hands on not one, not two, but all of the Redmi 6 family. Usually the Redmi 6 series is considered mid-range, and they have the 6A, 6 and Pro version that are different in specs and design. I'm not going through all the unboxing, but let me do a quick one. All their contents in the box are pretty much the same, with the exception of a TPU case that only comes with the Pro version. All of them comes with MIUI 9.5 on top of Android 8. As far as design goes, there are slight differences, especially with the Pro version. One of it is the speakers. The Pro version has speakers at the bottom, but for the 6A and 6, it's actually at the back. I don't remember Xiaomi having speakers at that location, but it's something new. As for the internals, the 6A has a Mediatek Helio A22 CPU, 6 has a Mediatek Helio P22, and the Pro has the familiar Snapdragon 625. That's all for this short quick look video. I'll be sure to compare and test out all three devices in detail, and I can't wait to share the results with you. Be sure to subscribe and share so you won't miss the full review. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.